Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix cannot install Messenger problem in Google Play Store. If you are facing cannot install Messenger problem with Facebook Messenger, the issues is related to storage, systems or apps conflict. Let's see how to fix cannot install Messenger problem step by step. Step 1. Open your file manager. Ensure you have at least 2000 or 50,000 MB free space. If you delete unused apps, videos or cache file. Step 2. Simply restart your phone and again open it. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Long press or long tap in Google Play Store. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage, again click on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 6, again open Play Store, go to Search Messenger app. You can follow all of the steps to fix cannot install Messenger problem in Google Play Store. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.